Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I'm about to go out here. Y'all see that snap-on truck behind me? That's right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm at the dealership today. This is a 2016 Chrysler Town and Country, a fleet company. Uh-oh, y'all hear that? Oh boy, it's gonna be a long day. Oh, that whining noise. All right, will I even make it in the shop? Okay, this is whining pretty bad and I am barely moving. And I know good and well this snap-on truck is not blocking me in while I'm barely rolling. Okay, this 62 TE is very loud. Fleet companies, y'all know how fleet companies treat some of their vehicles, okay? Not that they don't care, it's just they tend to get around to it when they get around to it, and before you know it, sometimes it's a little too late, okay? But I'm not saying that's the case, but I am about to find out, because as you can see, I made it inside the shop. All right, let me get this thing into the stall. And due to the mileage in this being a fleet company, ladies and gentlemen, there's a chance this may not be covered under warranty, okay? So, but depending on what the repair is, will dictate, depending on what the problem is, would dictate whether I'm allowed to repair it or replace it, for that matter. Uh-oh, it's done got louder. All right, let me go out here and let me pop this hood and see exactly. Oh boy, here we go. Okay. Oh Lord, wow, that front pump is screaming. Okay, let me get this cap off of here so I can get a pretty good look at the transmission fluid. But that front pump, that's a transmission front pump, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm gonna put my dipstick in here and see if I can get a sample of this fluid, all right, and see what the condition of fluid is. I can almost guarantee this fluid is burnt, but we don't guess around here. We actually verify, check and verify, okay? And let me see what this stuff look like. All right, it's definitely brown. It's definitely burnt. You can smell it. Let me get a smell. Woo! Woo-hoo! That's burnt. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this transmission pan, man. I want to get a closer look inside the pan, because that can tell you a lot about what's going on inside the transmission. All right, so let's take the pan off and take a look at the magnet and see, have it attracted anything? And from the look of it, oh boy, look at that. Oh wow, that is a lot of debris. What I'm looking for is I guess clutch debris and aluminum shavings, or even metal shavings for that matter, because that, ladies and gentlemen, would dictate first of all how much you may have some burnt clutch packs inside. So, but I hate speculating. It's hard to speculate, man. I need to take the transmission out, virtually take it out and go through it and see what's broken or what's come apart or what's failed, what clutch pack has failed, things like that, okay? And because this is out of warranty, I'm gonna have to write up tear down time. Tear down time is when we take the transmission apart and we give our estimate based on that. All right, I'll get back with y'all, man. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you later.